Welcome to another video by Abron Exports. This is passive movement apparatus by Abron, and we have got this chamber with the temperature controller is there. It has a remote and timer is there, passive movement, delay time is there, on off switch, and these are scales and the adjustment of these so that the movement can be done, and platform for the putting your legs or other exercise things. And this is CPM relaxation angle, and then you can do the experiment as per your books, and teaching can be done by the medical college and pharmacy college. These are Abron Exports, abron01@gmail.com, and you can send us a message on Abron Exports and check us your email. Thank you very much.